The top 10 most luxurious hotels in the world. Luxury is defined as the state of great comfort and extravagant living. It comes in all shapes and sizes and can be experienced all over the planet, especially in hotels. That's why we put together this list of 10 of the world's most luxurious hotels. Whether you're dreaming of traveling to a once-in-a-lifetime location, looking for inspiration for a special event, searching for examples of luxurious changes you can make to your own hotel, or anything in between, we've got you covered. From butler service and private pools to incredible amenities and perks, keep reading to see some of the most luxurious hotels the world has to offer. Before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. 10. The Palms, Las Vegas. Situated near the Las Vegas Strip, the Palms offers uncompromising service and prides itself on being different in design. As one of Las Vegas' most ambitious projects, the hotel and casino underwent a jaw-dropping $690 million renovation to make the Palms one of the world's most sought-after luxury destinations. Featuring artwork from Andy Warhol and Jean Mitchell Basquiat in the lobby, a $3 million Scotch inventory, a rooftop nightclub, and fine dining in Michelin-starred restaurants. 9. Marquis Los Cabos. Los Cabos. Inspired by a celestial legend of two angels seeking paradise on earth, the spectacular lobby of Marquis Los Cabos opens out onto the wildly restless sea like a temple to its creation. Gorgeous specially commissioned sculptures, massive waterfalls, spectacular infinity pools, and a lovely serene spa set the stage for vacationing VIP. George Clooney's beach villa is next door. Luxurious rooms boast balconies where you can often spot migrating whales, and there are also private villas with personal dipping pools. 8. The Boulders, Arizona. The wow factor is left to Mother Nature at the Boulders, and it's just as well, as no man-made decor could possibly compete with the resort's surreal 12-million-year-old rock formations. Spanning 1,300 acres of the Sonoran Desert, the massive spa compound promises the ultimate in natural rejuvenation treatments, and the two golf courses are world-class. There's also an uber-private gated villa retreat for celebs seeking anonymity. Hotel spokesperson Deborah Bridges says, "Our clientele is among the wealthiest in the world, but we're not allowed to talk about who our VIP guests are until they're dead." That says it all. 7. Atlantis Paradise Island, Bahamas. Built in tribute to the legendary Lost City, Atlantis Paradise Island is a 141-acre facility touted as the premier luxury resort destination in the Bahamas. It's the resort's bridge suite on the 23rd floor that really pulls out all the swanky stops. It spans 10 plush rooms topped by 12 Ford ceilings and full-length windows, and includes a grand piano, twin entertainment centers, a formal dining room with a 22-karat gold chandelier, plus a permanent staff of 7 butlers and attendants to cater to your every whim. 6. The Plaza, New York City. Though the Big Apple has many legendary and swanky hotels, the Plaza is often the top choice for visiting VIP. The Royal 3-bedroom suite is styled in the most opulent of old-world charm, with a formal dining room for up to 12 guests, a library, a gymnasium, a grand piano, full kitchen for personal chefs, and is serviced by its own private elevator. Butler service is also included. Built in 1907, the iconic structure was designated as a National Historic Landmark in 1969. 5. Burj Al Arab Hotel, Dubai. Built to resemble a billowing sail, the stunning architecture of Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai makes it one of the most photographed in the world. All rooms are luxurious suites, spanning 2 floors with state-of-the-art everything and incredible views. And beyond the unique over-the-top amenities, like the attached helipad and hovering tennis courts, there's a vast array of futuristic dining and nightlife options. Their guest care is also seriously intensive. Upscale extras include in-suite check-in, 24/7 personal on-call butlers, and a chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce fleet, all catering to an extremely well-hailed VIP clientele that often includes royalty. 4. Royal Mailwain, South Africa. One of the best hotels in the world for safari lovers, Royal Mailwain is a luxurious game reserve in Greater Kruger National Park, South Africa. An ideal base from which to view the big 5 game animals, the Safari Lodge has one of the most qualified guiding teams in Africa. Here's a sumptuous spa with a heated lap pool, steam room, and a fully equipped gym. The treatments at the Royal Mailwain Bush Spa take place in private casitas and use Healing Earth, a South African product. Dine in the bush tent under flickering lanterns or in the privacy of your suite. There's a kosher-compliant kitchen and an extensive wine and whiskey list. 3. Grand Hotel Tremezzo. Italy. Nestled on the banks of Lake Como, Grand Hotel Tramezzo is a historic 5-star hotel in Italy. Opened in 1910, the property has panoramic views of the mountains and the lake. There are 90 stylish rooms and suites, some with a private terrace and hot tub. With 3 swimming pools, T-spa, a gym, and tennis courts, this is the perfect place in which to relax. Villa Sola Cabbiati is located a few minutes walk from Grand Hotel Tramezzo and can be booked for groups of up to 12. The ornate residence has a private pool and Italian garden. 2. Mardin Palace, Turkey. Mardin Palace is a luxury hotel based in Lara, Antalya with a reported cost of approximately $1.4 billion. With over 560 hotel rooms, it is commonly known as Europe's most expensive luxury resort. Facilities include a 12,000 sqft spa, 4 aquariums, 5 acres of pool plus a personal beach for the guest, with sand imported from Egypt, perfect for travelers wishing to combine comfort with luxury. The hotel includes velvet-lined furniture, exotic wood floors, and marble bathroom interiors. 1. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Built to represent the sail of an Arabian dhow, the Burj Al Arab is the 7th tallest hotel in the world. Easily one of the most outrageously extravagant hotels in the world. It features a pillow menu with 9 types of pillows for the guests to choose from, 24-karat gold leaf walls, and full-size Hermes amenities in every suite. Whilst the official rating of the hotel is 5-star, the highest hotel rating there is, it is widely referred to as a 7-star hotel. This magnificent destination offers world-class service right down to the chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce service. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more video like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out any of our videos.